Namaste, we are Team Electrovision participating in Smart India Hackathon 2024. I'm Shabikar from BTech second year and our team leader is Mr. Abhishek Sharma from BTech third year. Our project addresses the growing pressure on city resources, transport networks and logistical infrastructure.
I am Abhishek Sharma, the team leader of Electrovision. We are addressing urban traffic pressures with an innovative solution at Smart India Hackathon 2024.
India's road faces unique challenges. Autos everywhere, people riding without helmets, taking shortcuts and even driving on wrong sides. This leads to massive congestion and an increase in traffic violations like jumping signals.
Our AI-based system integrates with smart city cameras using AI algorithm and FPGA technology for real-time monitoring.
FPGA, Field Programmable Gate Array, technology offers unparalleled real-time processing capabilities. It allows us to dynamically adjust traffic signals. As a rapidly growing nation, India needs innovative solutions to handle its unique traffic challenges. Our system goes beyond just controlling the traffic lights. It provides an all-encompassing management solution. We issue challans for violations such as riding without vehicles, jumping signals, driving on the wrong side or on the wrong lane, and also prioritize the emergency vehicles, all in compliance with the traffic laws set by the Government of India.
We have ensured our system address to laws like the Motor Vehicle Acts, incorporating advanced technologies to provide a lawful and efficient solution.
Our system's core feature is real-time traffic light management. Using FPGA technology, we adjust traffic light timings dynamically based on the live traffic data. This helps prevent traffic congestion by minimizing vehicle clusters.
Our machine learning models predict traffic and optimize light timings to keep traffic flowing smoothly during peak hours or emergencies.
In emergency, our system integrates with services like 112, 102, and 108. When an emergency vehicle is detected, the system prioritizes its route, clearing the way to ensure the swift response.
Our system reroutes traffic during accidents and detects violations like speeding and illegal parking, issuing e-challans automatically.
By leveraging computer vision and image processing technologies, our system ensures accurate detection and timely enforcement of traffic laws. Our solution includes a user-friendly mobile app that keeps citizens informed. The app provides real-time traffic updates, alternative routes, and allows users to report issues. It also helps users to stay compliant by notifying them of any traffic violation.
The app integrates with public transport system, promoting eco-friendly travel options and helping reduce reliance on private vehicles.
Smart India needs smart cities, and smart cities need smart solutions. Our AI-based traffic management system offers an advanced and scalable approach to managing India's traffic challenges. It benefits both citizens and the government by enhancing traffic flow, reducing violations, and improving safety. Finally, thanks for watching. For more details, visit our project page.